Look what I have. Luto ni Papa Lalabs ko. Ayan po. As usual, some Saturday night, some Saturday weekend, nag-grill siya. So, we had to take advantage of this dahil pag winter na, minsan na lang mag-grill. So, hope you guys like this. Tingnan nyo, ang sarap. Tingnan. Super yummy. Medium rare na steaks. Tapos, meron pa siyang asparagus at saka delicious mushrooms. So, it looks so yummy, diba? May sesame seeds pa siya. Ayan po. At sausages. Nako. Maano ka talaga sa sarap. Masarap kasi si Lalabs ko magluto. Super yummy, ano? Halina po kayo. Kumain na po tayo. Let's eat. Let's eat.